Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve brand awareness with Nike. Complete guide step by step. Start by defining what brand awareness means. Identify your target audience. Research demographic data relevant to your audience. Analyze competitors' brand awareness strategies. Establish your brand's unique value proposition. Create a compelling brand story that resonates with your audience. Leverage social media platforms to increase visibility. Engage with users through interactive content and campaigns. Utilize influencer partnerships to enhance credibility. Implement consistent branding across all channels. Invest in high-quality visuals and content creation. Use targeted advertising to reach specific audience segments. Monitor brand mentions and engage with online communities. Encourage user-generated content to foster community involvement. Host events or collaborations that align with your brand values. Collaborate with non-competing brands for cross-promotions. Track and analyze data to measure brand awareness progress. Adjust strategies based on feedback and analytics. Foster long-term relationships with customers to build loyalty. Create an emotional connection by highlighting shared values. Focus on storytelling in your marketing materials. Utilize email marketing to keep your audience informed. Engage in corporate social responsibility initiatives. Utilize SEO tactics to increase organic reach. Encourage word-of-mouth marketing through referral programs. Stay adaptable as trends and audience preferences evolve. Regularly assess your brand's presence and perception in the market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.